Today topic was top 25 questions in F&B service job in cruise ship. Hello friends, welcome back to Hoteliers channel. Please support ours for future videos. What is your experience in food and beverage service? What are the steps you take to provide excellent customer service? Can you explain the proper etiquette for serving wine and champagne? How do you handle difficult customers or situations? What are the basic steps for setting up a table for service? Can you describe your knowledge of different types of cuisines and menu items? How do you take orders and ensure accuracy? How do you handle food allergies or dietary restrictions? What is your knowledge of bar service and mixology? How do you handle cash and credit card transactions? Can you explain the proper way to clear a table during service? How do you handle complaints or concerns from customers? Can you describe your experience with teamwork in a fast-paced environment? What are the key elements of upselling in food and beverage service? How do you ensure cleanliness and hygiene in food service areas? Can you explain your knowledge of food safety and sanitation practices? What is your experience with inventory management and ordering supplies? How do you handle situations where there are multiple orders at the same time? Can you describe your experience with POS systems and other technology used in food and beverage service? How do you handle miscommunications or mistakes with orders? Can you explain your knowledge of different types of glassware and their uses? How do you handle serving alcohol responsibly? Can you describe your experience with catering or banquets? How do you ensure the presentation of food and beverages is visually appealing? Can you explain the proper way to serve and clear a course during a multi-course meal? Thank you, guys, for watching.